Lumina Open University LMS. This platform is basically for lecturers, for you to navigate canvas.instructure.com. Of course, this is for you to register. Click on that link sent to you if as a lecturer. One, as a lecturer, if you have not logged in before, it will request already have an account, login if you have that. But if not, for you to register as a lecturer, you indicate your email, you put your full name and follow the prompts. Agree, click you are not a robot and click next. Then it will take you through the process. What you now receive is a mail in your account for you to activate what has been sent to you. But in my own case, I'm logging in because I already have an account. So I'm gonna use my own email as a lecturer. I'm gonna use my email as a lecturer. Okay. Now I'm gonna log in. Don't forget here that as a lecturer, you are to log in through your using your email. But that message that has been sent to you, if you are doing that for the very first time, to ask you get started for the very first time. So once you do that, you click on it, it will take you to your browser, registered browser on your platform, to be able to do so effectively. For example, you would have to register with your email, and then of course your email which has been pre-registered, so it will take you through that this is the course you are assigned to teach: entrepreneurship business planning, ENT 211. Now where you have plus module, you can add new module. If wherever you find a small arrow like this, it means what you can do here. You can publish module and all time publish module only. Where you have that a small arrow or menu point is telling you that there are other menus, there are other things that you can do within. Now module 1, strategic planning, you have plus. This plus sign means, oh, I can still add other things. What do I want to do? I want to add an assignment as a lecturer. You put that it's an assignment, that's what you want to do. It's quiz, it's page, it's discussion, it's text header, it's external. So if it is an assignment, I click this. If it is quick, I click on quiz. You create quiz. Oh, do you want to indent or you don't want to indent or whatever? You know the meaning of indenting your text, spaces and things like that. So if it is assignment, I come back, I click that this is assignment, and once I'm done, I click on the add item to strategic planning if it is on that topic. If you want them on the in-text questions, setting goals and objectives which you want to do, oh, I want to unpublish it, no, I'm publishing. So these points are active for you as a lecturer in charge of that course. For all those things you can do. So if I need to edit, assign to students, edit, you can see. But for students will not be able to edit work you have been able to send to them except their own assignment, and once it is logged, it is completely logged for you just to access and again return back to them. So this is a beautiful interface for you as a lecturer, which you will be able to see for courses readily assigned to you, and then you are good to go. For you having this importing editing content, import from commons, choose home page, view course stream, new announcement, you can make announcement, course analysis, view course calendar. For example, you have said, oh, for the next 10 weeks every Monday, and that you have been fixed, and you have reminder on your calendar. So this is very, very interesting, user friendly for both lecturers and students. It is essential for all lecturers to be aware and ensure that the interface with this user-friendly LMS. Subsequently, the students also getting through will also know what and what best for them to do with respect to the LMS, learning management system, for the open university, where we use the canvas.instructure.com for LOU LMS. Thank you for joining, and we do hope you find it very interesting. If there are other questions or comments or what you want to do for this, your inbox, for whatever you get messages, if there are things from either course, HOD, or whatever department, whatever, so you have this but there are no conversation, so those things here on your dashboard for as a lecturer. If you have comments or questions, kindly let us know through Lumina's Open University at gmail.com. Thank you for joining this virtual platform, and where you also navigate this tutorial to acquaint yourself with the LMS. Thank you. We really appreciate it.